So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is we're going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Then we're going to be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Taking out all of this old cement pointing, replacing that in a nice breathable lime mortar. I'm going to be tuck pointing this project, so all of the brickwork going to be tuck pointed the whole way throughout. Brickwork's not in that bad condition on this project, which is good. Bricks are in not too bad condition, a few cracks in a few bricks here and now, but nothing too worrying to deal with. Let me show you upstairs. So again, as you can see, brickwork is in quite good condition. Like I say, a few cracked bricks here and now, nothing really too challenging on the brick replacements on this one. So just be a nice clean of all of the brickwork. Like I say, we're tuck pointing all of this, so it's going to look really nice when it's finished. All of the gable, look at, we're also decorating all of the woodwork and stonework here. So all of the woodwork, rub down, repaint all of the woodwork, painting all of the stonework as well. Front door is going to be painted. So a nice project to get underway down here in Catford. So it's going to make this look really, really good once it's all finished. Massive transformation this will be, and transform it to the best house on the street as always. So if you'd like a free quotation or you got any questions, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. That's just getting set up now, ready to go.